Hello guys, and welcome back again to our channel Brand856. In this video I'm gonna guide you on how to set up Crane VPN that is gonna help you to secure your online connection and keep it private. Okay, so in case you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and even drop me a like, drop me a comment, okay, and even share my videos. In case you have any person that would be interested in such content, kindly share with them to also enjoy this. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to your Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store and download Crane VPN. Okay, as you can see, you have to install it. You have to install it. Okay, click to open it up. Okay, so for the first time you shall find it when it is not yet updated, so you have to fetch the servers, which will help you to secure online connection when you're using this VPN. Okay, so come and tap here like this. So go ahead and click on this online update. So for my case, I don't have any updates available because I already updated mine. So in case it is your first time using this VPN, for you what you have to do is to come and click here. Okay, like this, and choose out your country. By choosing one of these servers, you surely be able to secure online connection when you're using the internet. So in case you're in Uganda, I refer you to use this to secure your online connection when you're using it. You have to take this. Okay, click on that. So the next thing that you have to do, you have to come and click on this. Come and select, I think you can see this first one and second one. Take this third one. That one will surely secure your connection when you're browsing on the internet. So you have to just come and click this. Click here to get started. This is where you add time from. Okay, in case your time elapses, this is where you add it from. So let me click and test. So as you can see, I'm connected. I'm able to secure my online connection when I'm browsing on the internet. Let me try to play one video and I show you. Welcome back again to our channel Brand856. I'll guide you through on how to post high quality photos and videos in your WhatsApp. Okay, so in case you're new here, remember to drop me a like and even subscribe. Let's begin. So let's go straight to our. I think you can see it is very fast. You will surely secure your connection with this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This method is valid for Ugandans and other countries to secure your connection. I say now.